Hi, I have in front of me here a roll of global 15-metre fibre optic cable that's pre-terminated in FC-PC connectors. You can just see here the connectors on both ends. It comes in this outer pack here, and I've just actually cut this open to give a demonstration of the cable in front of us. But basically the key point to note here is that it has a title of the thing, the specifications and the overall length as well, which is key, particularly if you have a whole series of different pre-terminated cables. So let's look at the actual key specifications of this cable. Well, the first thing is the outer diameter on it is 3 millimeters. It's steel armoured, so it means there's a steel armoured cable in the centre of this. It gives it such strength, and it's LSZH rated. Basically, it's low smoke, zero halogen. This is a key specification for a lot of industrial buildings. It means that it's non-halogenated, flame retardant, so if there's a fire it won't emit smoke. It's suitable for both, because it's PVC coating, it's suitable for both internal and external use. So what I've actually done here is I've cut open one of these cables just to give a quick overview of how it's constructed. So let's just look here. I've actually removed the dust cap that comes on both ends connectors. And the key point here is that the dust cap it's essential to have this on at all times because it's protecting dust, etc., from getting into the centre. If we look at the outer diameter of the cable, as I mentioned earlier, it's 3 millimeters, but there's braiding inside that. Then we have the armour, steel armour, and then we have a sort of coating inside. But the fibre optic cable in the centre, its outer diameter is actually only 0.25 millimeters, so it's only 1/10 as thick as the actual cable itself. Now the reason we have this connectors on the far end, and we'll actually see if we focus in, there's a little slot here, and it just means there's a particular way of lining it up for a barrel, we'll say, if we were joining cables, and then the outer casing here is threaded, so we can screw it in and lock it securely either onto a distribution point or onto another cable through a joiner. And now the typical applications of a cable like this is in telecommunications or for high-speed data transfer, or for TV distribution, or indeed a cable like this can be used for all three at one time, as is often the case. It's used pretty widely in industry, for apartment blocks industry, things like that. So it's part of a wider range of pre-terminated fibre cables that we have. It runs all the way from 5 metres through 10, 15, 75, 100, all the way up to 200 metre lengths. We also have a range of associated fibre optic products like splitters, distribution things, etc. So it really is a great range. Everything we have there is from Global Invacom, and they really are the industry leaders. So you're getting an absolutely premium product to that extent. So, and it sits very nicely with the other range of products, etc. that we stock.